Hello friends. Now in this figure you can see this is known as the pyramid of the study design. Now, now this pyramid of study design is generally read from bottom to the top. So when we go from bottom to the top, this pyramid contains different kinds of research designs or study designs. These multiple kinds of study designs, these are used to achieve your objectives and research questions. Now we will start a journey from this in vitro or test tube research. You can see the cursor here at the bottom, this in vitro or this test tube research, which lies at the bottom of this pyramid. Now what does this mean? This in vitro or test tube research is the kind of study design, is the kind of research which is carried out via test tubes. That means these kind of studies are carried out in the research labs via the test tube. You must have seen the test tube. So any study that is contained in the research laboratories with the help of test tubes, such study design is known as the test tube studies or in vitro studies. In these studies, the researcher or the one who is doing the research can manipulate the research design, can manipulate the environment. Like if a researchers are working on the invention of a new drug or invention of a new chemical, or they are studying some sort of chemical reaction, it is relies on the researcher to select the elements, to select the temperature of the room, to select the environment. So in this way, in these kinds of in vitro or test tube researches, researcher can control the environment of that process. These studies are the most weakest kind of studies. When we are comparing the evidence of different study designs or different research studies, these test tube or in vitro researches have the lowest evidence in terms of the research studies. So this is simply an introduction of this test tube researches. Thank you.